Hi there, welcome to Nosware channel. In this video, I want to introduce Unlocker. Small program but with powerful functions. Unlocker can delete anything files that cannot delete by normal ways. First, you can get this Unlocker via link in the description. First, we can extract this Unlocker and install based on your system. In here, I'm using 64-bit. I will click next, 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 and then, for example, this folder cannot delete by normal ways, and we can delete using Unlocker. Select Unlocker that you just installed, then select this folder, or you can select files or folders. I'm select folder in here and click OK. We can get action and delete. Just click OK. That's all. Powerful Unlocker software. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.